na buigo chiria chia mache inyuranga chirange chiga nigo chiri kurwase chiri chiri guririke iriria gatigati gwikariguri ria bantabati buigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo bwochoganya chirangi wikabunuraganie bwochoganire erangiriga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bwokwege namuna ekale awatagete nigo kwayanyora gwikirano tutarire rero eribwe nyorere abamanyi na buigo Ekeonga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire biasara nchibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eywerangane duka ya Safaricom Mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Getembe Television Ekeonga Kiamamogusi.
Uyake gima umwanche umurigerero Getembe TV ritukunere jumanine Chinsa ni Ikomi mutinyino yokabero mwakano yibwekiri bubere 25 umwanche umurigerero na mange agenderere kwenekiwa kurwa imena isko yagusi kurobwaga kete wekara Chinsa chika cyabono abo sabarike bitwa mangana batali na kubeka chikambi cyabo Chinsemo na batwariganire egati yari aberika gwateka nabono na ikirase mese Ekeonga ngumanye egati yari ba beire bagotwaga diganire asenchira yo bwenge ncengatere Nyaboga kama Enjoy Komari. Toko chaka kurwase kaunti ya Nyamira litukuria rero ni gabanyanyimbo korwa igitaseni ky'abanyanyimbo gyekerenyo bachakire obotuki igoro yegekora asegotebeka n'umwalimu yomo aserieta Vincent Nyancha achabitigwe biranya n'umwalimu omonene bwe school ya Nyancha ka comprehensive asekonye agosomya sebono Vincent Stevani ngo anyore tugoche school eyo korendekera igete nagoswekera asime kagendete kosomya borokigwa umwarimu oyo agacha na guchaka kumusagana ase amoimorete chindo ekitari chinge asebono ari nyagitari asebone kiombekeria ketenete abarimu kya kupet kororo sagiro Nyamira gesokire na gusaba ekiombekerio korika abarimu gya TSC gwesokya na korigereria buya oburio bwene bwa Vincent bochikonyara kwenekwa.
So ni Friday na chete school kinyorirake sauna about some issues kuri nyumba kero neke school mukaimoki my documents ngasoi class ime ngansa gosomi kingenda to gosomi ngacha kuiwo chindoe chikongwira akero nayo chindoe alafu ngochikolingo sagno my teacher akamanza ko ngake cheki akangurra gochisiku ngachikotema ko resist akambwa chinguru akangiro office akaenda akasieka asantiringete kweli ono nyagitarinde ngentu anya komana nara gosen twanya collide yandene tena chitakonyora akongurukuru kirasi merioka na kongi ofisi na kong peka inse na kong tirengo kumia wono iga kirase mumiete nyagitarinde one ndagira kuruanta chete tini kotaigo so ngochi koli naruka wanti mai do sangu mistenda.
Vincent says na nyoru to school in the morning konyorwa ngo deserve that punishment. Chi punishment chiro prescribed by the law on how you deal with a teacher who is late. As a union, on behalf of the teachers in this county, to condemn the act na kunyoya bayorimu bonsi abanene baba senior school na junior school that barimu mbaiko ba disciplined na barabwo wetera asikindoe na ikitege na kuru abantu na mwanege ntukia toke kirimo mune union na barimu ngeno mwarimu oyo gakire kindoe wosio yabana agosomya abana togosomya batusigete sana lakini umwakire kindoe kinyinge busya abana bonege ntunta manyina ki umwarimu na nairane asomya abana abo.
Mwanche murigereria tugotigana nayo nigo ritukuria rero University ya Kisii yenana emeito gwetania ose emeito 52 gochase skuru ya nyose yabetege koja netido mubere cyaba murakoja gweka kwera chigwiki ibere cya aga karege tambuke neno mona barai kogendera gosira eskuru yo.
We have been paid a courtesy call by Kisii University, a big delegation headed by Dr. Nyabega. This is a response to the fire disaster which the school experienced at this school on the 15th of February 2025, a night when 2 boys' dormitories were burned. All the belongings of the students were destroyed. So today we have received Kisii University, who have donated to this school 70 mattresses, as the professor, that is the Vice Chancellor, had promised. And we are really glad to have this gesture of goodwill. We want to say that Nyosia Secondary School, in spite of this challenge, is a great school, having posted good results in the recent past. Like last year, the school had a mean of 4.7, where 21 out of 130 candidates qualified with C+ and above to join the university. So we are on the trajectory of academic excellence, and we commit ourselves to achieving that.
I'm here to bring his promise. He promised that he will support this school when they were here with the CS for Education, Dr. Migos Ogamba. And we are here as a team to fulfill the promise he made. We have brought 70 mattresses, and we hope that will go a long way because the learners in that dormitory will need to start. And looking around, the learners who come to this school do not necessarily have the resources.
Mwanche murigereria togoska bosioni gatogose teogotebwa bunani go musayomo yorentakana boigo bwi myaka ya igato korweke nyoro kya mwamogesa kegotoke ward ya Kitutu Central ebunge ya Kitutu chache South nigenyoreire oborimo bwaye magega yogo chandeka ase myaka ase bono ainyorera oborimo boise oyore nyagosira.
Takana na kinyora baibori babo. Takana na kinyora baibori babo.
Dina kuambuka. Igonde ikilani ida ya muhamugesa. Yechi. Ndesini. Kaya muchibundi mugotu ato. Mwana yosirete. Natrika abana. Bagachi bakalera bugina rumi. Bona bairanire ko cyastore egere banyora ase endemiro yaise bona tukira nabagambi mwaka utorokereire so mwana yagwenta kobera egetari yaise tugekinde birachoki nante twagokiri n'abagambi kyagera utorokereire
twataka tubekira umwana egesumu kyaye egero umwana ere ne mwana ende anya nuko bwa bantu bandi nabo batakire batwara oborori buno location ya story seyum yom chief itujudi okotobo semi obuya namuna to kolegas naende tutari gwetani machikaya
nabwate nchirende timbwate ndorankonya nabonde unande kanchibie nabera matuka mange tabwati on kono bayige pe tende kamware ndengitse nche kwaga onanga nyono ndete yote kompata kabuko na se chief akamware nde nabakombwate mbwatira kaboko baka twekera sto ekire bono
Wanche murigereria togosika bosio anene mono kera boro kyo bachire aso mutimo komo ke gosechi halftime nigo bono abarunda bechigari chiri cha matatu anene mono kurangong babori weko gende chigari ase speed erenge nabo igo kobega ero otabeka amagima ya boro kyo ase akong
to koraga ya ngo Syrian kasi ya matatu andre rotro tinga biashara ndigo mono biashara mbia birake kwa marokaya nitete bajenga Kenya itore ndoranga kigendera cyose
ndabona abana bakwanda Chinsa rodi kigali kikomyoka saidi muno akindi nengo tevinga abagendi baite banyara ko bakugenda kigali ngorongora egera banyara gusatisa abana bayendenga
boniga igendo kirangeri nyanki amaduka yande nabo tokoboria abantu abanena tokobona kama kawaida lakini ili tukubuna ya lero ili tukabana bako ili tukabana bako ni skuru ili tukabana bako ni skuru liko tena njanya kubaliri ona tokumya kitibeza nyoki tibeza mbya nandi urenda abana bomungu to batuma igoro mapema ubaira ngora bune bwenete ekire kiago Nyasaye na bakubikire dokonyora rikuria rero
Wanche murigereria togosika bosio ni gasiri tukoria gatatu rero asetaro yaye ya magendra asarongongorwa coast muraibwense atarera county ya Kwale unenchira ya moyo korotota na bayo gochakia emerobire ya magendra ase county yego kwana imambia rero nigo atogia murobiro shabwa sabori abakenya kwerikia ase omurobiro yo chinga kichecho nigo muwaziri wechisemi Moske Julius Migosi Ogamba nere airaneri muraibwense mbia mono ase okogenda gosira chisemi na kuboria abantu bonse kumubwatesia unenchira ya moyo kwaneke buna chiga chisemi ngosuka chirebosio engane yo nigo yaegwo koboko no muwaziri wechizigo sorry Moske Salimuvira na boigo mokonyi wa muraibwense ya Kenya Moske Professor Abraham Kithure Kindiki.
Kwa hivyo tumesema hii mfumo mpya inajali kila mwananchi, yule aliye na kazi na asiye na kazi, yule ambaye hakuna uwezo na pia asiye na uwezo. Na tumesema wale wote ambao hawana uwezo kabisa wa kulipia gharama ya hospitali tutawalipia kama serikali ya Kenya. Wale wenye uwezo watalipa kulingana na uwezo wao. Hakuna mtu ataambiwa alipe kuzidi uwezo wake. Na ndio sababu hiyo tumeweka hii taratibu ya social health insurance. Tumesema kazi ya kila mwananchi ni kujisajili.
Naomba kwa heshima watu wa Lungalunga wa Kwale mshirikiane na serikali ambaye inafanya kazi pamoja na viongozi wenu. Muunge rais mkono, tusukume Kenya mbele, tusukume Kwale.
Ningependa kuuliza Wakenya wote, kwa sababu elimu iko kwa kila nyumba. Tafadhali tushirikiane ili tuweze kujenga elimu yetu, ndio watoto wetu wakuje kupata hali nzuri mbeleni. Tusilete maneno yeyote katika sekta ya elimu. Tusichukue shamba ya mashule. Tusilete siasa kwa shule. Kutoka universities, TVETs, basic mpaka kule chini. Tushirikiane ndio tuweze kupeleka watoto wetu mahali mzuri kule in future.
Na tutakushika mkono upeleke Kenya mbele. Na jambo ya mwisho, rais ameunganisha kila mtu. Yule wa chama ile, yule wa chama ile, kila mtu ameingia serikali. Saa hii hakuna Azimio wala Kenya Kwanza. Sote tuko ndani ya serikali. Ni kweli si kweli? Sasa mimi nawaomba tuunge mkono Mheshimiwa Ruto.
Mwanchi omurigerere na korwa sensemeri yobocheno nigo ewizara yobocheno kobwatirana n'ebyombe by'abanyene byomuranire asibyakora egeikaro eriko kwanera emirobiro ao barache kobeka namuna asensemeri yobocheno bunenchera yemo yokwororoberia abakenya kera bachikonyora obocheno asabona batebire nigo barache kobeka egati emirobiro na obokoreri korwa sector yobocheno ase omutandao.
Public sector in terms of driving the digital agenda, and that is one of the big priorities, key priorities for our government. And as we are working together, we want to see, once we have demonstrated some of these innovations that we have on the ground, how can we be able to leverage and cascade that to a larger population? How can we ensure that it is delivered in a very cost-effective and cost-efficient way?
Today has been quite eye-opening to realize that as we walk the digital path, there are some players within the industry who have taken forth and gone ahead on what we envision to have as a HIE, to ensure that we can have seamless sharing of health data for purposes of ensuring that our patients receive all the best quality care. And we use digitization as a key leverage to an enabler towards getting universal health care in Kenya.
It's amazing to see how private sector solutions can then be replicated in government and public sector at an affordable cost. So us as HealthX Africa, having to find affordable solutions which can be scaled, the public sector is
Mwanchi omurigerera togochigokorera kwa sensemeri ya siasa nigo bona ba kuri county ya Homa Bay anana mono kuri kia makeria kia UDA besokire na koragati umuski oyo kabeire umukonyi bumuraibense ya Kenya umuskeri gathigashagwe byara asakote bachingwa chaye ni chogwatana na abakenya na boigo neche obokabira.
Come up to every region and to reach out, because we are a democracy, but it must be laced with the message of unity and not division. We do not want a divided nation. And if you come to a region, preach, speak to people, but advance nationalistic agenda. If there are good things that are happening in a place, speak positively of them.
I'm also urging the party officials from the county level to the grassroots that we must also bring the ODM members and other party members together, work together as Kenyans and make peace, and we bring everybody to the board to make the government of William Ruto succeed, because we are one Kenya and we are also one nation.
At the beginning, the Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua did not want us near government. And this is what I got to say about him. He's simply a jealous man that is even jealous that President William Ruto know more roads in his backyard than he does. He was jealous that the Luos were getting into a government they did not vote for. So this is a man suffering from acute narcissistic personality disorder in the name of jealousy. So we cannot help him. And Kenyans must know that now he has changed tune, trying to tell us how Raila Odinga and the Luos are good people. Because
Mwanchi omurigerere Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi litukoria Jumanne omoere no gochigwikira gabu kore ningote muna yo munayanda mange no chikoyanyara Chinsa ibere na Chinsa nyichobotko bwarero no yo mintu Haron ototonya ingiri chengatire Nyaboga Wilson Makori nero renge ko somono ori bwibanyerero twakwane iri bwige borobia asomorobero bwekererano ogochikogochira semba asegeka getari Getembe. Bye bye tumurane litukoria angi.
Superstores nero eduka asorgo gurigarwa South Nyanza yanchiri amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills yuko yabwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom yiga babwata chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na bwigo cho teberelie kende kensi uragamie bagoteberelie company ya mabati Rolling Mills iko babwate amabati chingencho ao ayuare ye chikala ao na bwigo ayuwe gabwata chi profile net gauges ao unamono babwata normal corrugated na bwigo box corrugated asibego babwata boomerang ayuare aye chigage emerunge tato asama bati aliaye chigage emerunge bire na isaro na isato babwata tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na bwigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na bwigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chako gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na bwigo na green obutambe gwe mabwate liga nigo bokorengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kwa gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya amabati yega ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase ou MRM showroom onyare kwa gukwerera amabati yo akomenya segeka ayo uchanye warrant na boigo ayo urakoberwa ikasore asubwango edukanyega ya Uhuru Superstores igiye gutoka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyo mucyugo busongo iyo erangwe ne duka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwe trasete namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Getembe Television